Bosh. Whoa! Crab attack.
Let's do that again.
I'll do that again. Bosh.
Bosh. I can also see that cushion's going to be more nutty.
Oh, for God's sake. Try again. Whoa. There we are. Much better. Right, gents, welcome back. Oh, Bonnie says aye. To another Tanker Brewing video. No brew day in this one because we had a live stream on go. Thank you to everyone that tuned in, and I'm sorry I couldn't be there. I've got family stuff ongoing. The fact that I'm here is a bonus, to be fair. Yeah, Bonnie says aye. So yeah, so this week we've everybody who watched the video will know what we're releasing. It's Bonnie's bitter.
It is. So
she's made it all herself, by the way.
Do you like the smell of it? No.
Do you like it? Do you like it, love? What's this?
Mwah.
No.
She likes my face. You know what it is? We had pulled pork baps just before we filmed this video, so
yeah.
She's liking the smell of them.
She's in good fettle.
Right, so let's talk about the beer. As Fenton just said, next kit, bitter.
Bitter.
What an absolute beauty.
Yeah.
So, brewed this on live stream 2 weeks ago, and we've tapped the cask today and poured it, and it's an absolute beauty. The fermentation on this was rapid. It literally had already dropped a few points a few hours after I put it in ferminator. We ended up dry hopping on day 2 because it was nearly at final gravity, and then we ramped the temperature up just to give it a little bit of a rest and clear up. So I think time in fermenter, 5 days max on it.
5
that
days.
includes a
cold crash, diacetyl rest.
Yeah,
and dry hop.
Absolutely insane. Shout out to Cross My Loof with that Midlands yeast because it was absolutely rapid.
What a beast that is. And if anybody has used Nottingham before by Lallemond, is it Lallemond? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nottingham by Lallemond, then you'll know exactly what we're on about.
It flew down.
So in total, from brew day to today, it has been a week and 5 days.
Yeah, that's a week and 5 days. It'll be 2 weeks when this video goes out from brew day, but a week and 5 days and we sat here drinking it.
Yeah.
And it is an absolute beauty.
Banger.
There's no off flavours, nothing. It's just stunning. Look at it. I hope it's showing how clear it is. It's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, well, here we'll be showing the video in where we poured it.
Yeah.
So here you'll see a little time lapse of us pouring the beer, and it's settling out, and it's got a lovely dark hue to it, you know, lovely and clear as you can see from the video as it separates. That has all been done in 12 days.
Yeah, it's insane.
12 days from grain to glass, you know, from Brewzilla to bucket to our pan to then in my cellar and then
in our bellies.
In my belly.
In 12 days.
So we all hope you enjoyed that little time lapse.
Yeah, we've got a very simple process. As I say, we came around with our pan. We put Keystone in her, which you'll see footage of now.
Yeah.
Once Keystone was in, we then just siphoned straight out of bucket into the cask, added the finings and the sugar, knocked the shive in, and then it's come straight to Fenton's and in the cellar.
That's it. And then we added the spile.
Yeah.
Knocked the spile in, and it flew out.
It did.
And I nearly broke my hand in the process. I'm still getting used to this new mallet that I've got. So it's an absolute beast. We'll knock the shive in, let it sit out, and then just throughout the next day or so, we've just been trying it bit by bit, making sure that when we serve it, it's ready to serve.
Yeah.
And now we're at this point now, so we tapped it and upped it up to the beer engine, pulled it through a bit, and now we sat with it in his hands.
There we are. So let's talk about the beer itself. It is your traditional bitter with it's almost like a modern dry hop edition. So there's 3 editions: 60-minute edition, flame out edition, and dry hop. All T90 pellets, exactly as we said in the last video about the kits. We're trying to get the freshest ingredients for the best value out to you guys, so you can get brewing the beers that we're coming up with.
That's it.
Malts, once again, Thomas Fawcett's.
Yeah.
Just down road, collected them, got them packed up, and they're ready to go, aren't they?
Aye. Is it our Peter that give it?
Yeah, it was someone.
Our Peter from Thomas Fawcett's sorted us out with them, and then the hops are all from Charles Farron.
Yeah.
And zingy and fresh, and you know, with all these American hop going massive, and you know, I mean, they are, don't get me wrong, they are amazing. Yeah. I mean, we're very blessed to be able to work with them as well, but we have plenty of great hops that are just untapped within UK for UK homebrewers. I mean, people tend to shoot straight onto the American stuff straight away, when we have so many amazing styles for hundreds of years of brewing in England. This is what we come up with. We come up with a beautiful bitter style using all British hops, fresh harvest, and it's a wonderful beer. You don't need to go looking far for good quality hops. There's good quality hops and malt all in our own country.
Definitely.
And every time you buy it, you're supporting local, and that's what we should be doing, really.
Yeah. And there she is. As you can see, absolutely crystal clear and a beauty. So taste-wise, it's just a beautiful bitter flavour.
Notes of caramel and
yeah,
biscuit, honey.
and there's a nice yeast flavour in it as well, mate. And absolutely.
Yeah, I really do like the Nottingham yeast profile. It gives enough space for other things to shine. So we're getting plenty of the malt flavour from that, and we're also getting that lovely British hop flavour from it.
Yeah, which is a beauty.
I must say Bramling Cross is probably coming up to be one of my favourite hops to use. I'm amazed how slept on it is.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely amazed how slept on Bramling Cross is.
It's a beautiful beer.
It really,
a beautiful hop.
I mean, the flavours we get off it, like, you know, like it's like almost like a blueberry kind of berry.
Still got your spicy honey sort of thing in there. It's a bit of everything.
But then you've got the British earthiness, and don't get me wrong, you'll always get that with British hops. But when you come to ale style cask beer, that's what you want. You want that earthy. It was just fresh bred earth, and then berry.
We're off to a festival at weekend, aren't we? We're off to Ale Festival.
When this releases, actually.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Kirkstall Real Ale Festival, aren't we?
Yeah, to try some beers.
Cannot wait.
Get some inspiration.
Yeah, just to be able to go there and try, you know, all real ale, proper real ale, you know.
Yeah.
Just with other people that like real ale, and I'm sure there'll be plenty of older generation that we can get to and speak to there. You know, brewers that we can speak to for tips and hints and, you know, ways to do it. I mean, I'm really excited for it.
Yeah, I am as well.
I'd quite happily serve that at that festival.
Yeah, me too.
And that's what I'm really proud of. That I would happily buy that at a festival.
I would as well, mate. Definitely.
So the fact that I would buy this at a festival shows that I'm happy with what we made.
So the kit itself, exactly the same as a Golden Ale, £15 plus $4.99 postage, posted with DPD with next day delivery once it's posted. To order, very easy, website's here, www.tankerbrewing.co.uk. Click at the top where it says kits, and then it'll be on there. We have got 1 or 2, I think, Golden Ale kits left, so they're also available on there if required.
Probably be gone by the time that's up.
But a massive shout out to everyone that's purchased all the kits and gave us any feedback, and exactly the same with this brew. If you are purchasing the bitter, then feel free to drop us an email, info@tankerbrewing.co.uk, and let us know your thoughts.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook at Tankard Brewing as well, where we'll be setting up a group chat. We just need a few more followers and then we can do that.
So we've got a Facebook page and we've got a Facebook group. So the Facebook page is Tankard Brewing, and then we've got Tankard Brewing, the group. If you want to join that, we'll get you in. We've already got a few members, and once we've got enough, we can start a Facebook chat and we just get loads of interaction going with everyone.
It'll be £99.99 to join our group.
Not really.
Like, join it for free. Count with us. We enjoy that part. Also, follow us on TikTok. We're coming up to 100 followers on TikTok.
Yeah, it's growing all right, isn't it?
Going really well. Where we'll be posting all the silly shorts and us messing around and bits and parts that you might not see in the videos. So, Tankard Brewing on TikTok.
Yeah, there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff on there, isn't there?
Yeah, we're down with the kids. So we're on everything. And also, Tankard Brewing on Instagram.
Yeah.
We will plug everything at the end. But yeah, thank you all for buying us kits. These will be limited to 15 again.
Yeah.
Just so we keep developing our recipes, keep going.
And get as much feedback for you. We did have an issue with the boxes initially. Turns out they weren't as strong as they should have been. Don't know what they do with postage, these postage companies, but
no.
We have upgraded our boxes, and that was all because of the feedback we had from you, so really, really appreciate it.
So that's the amazing thing, is with the feedback we got from the guys instantly, we've managed to make changes.
Yeah.
And now we're happy with where we're at.
100%.
More additives will be coming in later on.
That's it.
But for now, thank you very much for watching.
If you like the video, please subscribe. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments, or always drop us an email on info@tankardbrewing.co.uk.
Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
Cheers.
That's it.
Thank you.
Bonnie's Bitter, coming to stores soon. Thank you very much.